Imagine yourself embarking on an unforgettable journey through South Korea, a country where every city tells a unique story and every experience is crafted to excite your senses. Join us for a one-of-a-kind group tour in July 2025, where you'll experience some of Korea's most iconic destinations, blending together ancient history, modern culture, and of course, mouth-watering cuisine into one extraordinary adventure. Together with the amazing folks at Noona's Noonchi Tours, we'll embark upon an 8-day adventure that will feed not only your body, but also your soul.
Hello, I am Jeannie Chang, aka Noona's Noonchi. I am thrilled to be doing a tour with Paul of Tastes Seoul Good. I truly hope this will be a soulful, transformative, healing journey filled with belongingness of Paul's Tastes Seoul Good community. What we're going to do is embark you on this journey of self-discovery and healing, because that's what we do at Noona's Noonchi Tours. I am by trade a licensed mental health expert, clinician, global speaker on workplace mental health and all things mental health, K-dramas and mental health, K-pop and mental health. I'm an executive coach and author. And I'm so excited about this tour. It's going to be next July, 2025. Look out for it. But I hope that you will come with open hearts and minds to just fill your souls on this Taste Seoul Good, soulful journey of transformation that you've never experienced before. Can't wait!
We've crafted a tour that will take you to places off the typical tourist path and to cafes, restaurants, and locations handpicked by yours truly. Our tour aims to allow you to feel Korea in a unique way. This tour will intertwine food and culture as we discover the country's deep history, while also creating a sense of belongingness and community. We'll take cooking classes together and visit museums with our bilingual tour guide to learn more about the ingredients and tradition of Korean foods. We'll sample staple Korean foods as well as items you won't find anywhere else. While we're keeping a few things up our sleeves, here's a brief summary of some of the places we'll visit during our tour. We'll begin our trip in Seoul, the dynamic capital of South Korea, a city that embodies the perfect fusion of old and new. Known for its vibrant energy, Seoul will offer something for everyone. We'll check out places such as Seoul Tower, where breathtaking views of the sprawling city below will give you a sense of Seoul's sheer scale and beauty. We'll visit some of my favorite places such as Mangwon Market, a hidden gem where locals shop for fresh produce, street food, and handmade goods. You'll be able to taste authentic Korean flavors from delicious fried chicken to traditional snacks, all while mingling with friendly locals. And no visit to Seoul will be complete without exploring the local palaces, a majestic symbol of Korea's royal past. We'll explore these iconic areas that will make you feel like royalty. For a different side of Seoul, we'll take you to Hongdae, a lively neighborhood bursting with creativity. Known for its youthful energy, this area is home to trendy boutiques, quirky cafes, and spontaneous street performances. If you're a fan of K-pop, you'll love a visit to the Hybe building and the nearby cafes offering plenty of BTS merch. We'll also check out the Han River and so much more before moving on to our next locations. We'll also find ourselves in Jeonju, a city steeped in culinary tradition and often called the food capital of Korea. Here, you'll learn to make bibimbap, a colorful and delicious dish that's as beautiful as it is flavorful. This hands-on cooking experience will give you a deeper appreciation for Korea's rich food culture. Jeonju is also home to the Hanok Village, a charming neighborhood where traditional Korean houses, or hanoks, will transport you back in time. You'll have the chance to wear a hanbok, Korea's traditional attire, and take a leisurely stroll through the narrow streets, taking in the serene atmosphere and capturing stunning photos. As you explore Jeonju, you won't want to miss the opportunity to sample the local choco pie, a sweet chocolatey treat that has become a beloved part of Korean culture. We'll then head somewhere most tourists have never heard of, Sunchang, a small town with a big reputation for one of Korea's most famous ingredients, gochujang, a red chili paste that adds heat and depth to countless Korean dishes. You'll not only learn how this spicy condiment is made, but also taste it at its source, adding an authentic Korean flavor to your culinary repertoire. Sunchang is surrounded by beautiful countryside, offering a peaceful escape from the bustling cities. Of course, we'll explore Busan, Korea's vibrant port city. Known for its stunning beaches, bustling markets, and fresh seafood, Busan will offer a completely different vibe from Seoul. Busan is also home to one of my favorite cafes in the whole country, where you'll sip coffee while gazing out at the endless sea. If you're lucky, you may even catch a glimpse of the haenyeo, the incredible women who free dive for fresh seafood. And I can't wait to introduce you to one of my favorite foods, Daegu, a savory pork soup that's a regional specialty in Busan. This comforting dish is a favorite among locals, and you'll soon see why. Moving inland, we'll arrive in Daegu, a city known for its love of food, fashion, and festivals. Daegu will be the perfect place to immerse yourself in Korea's rich food culture, and you'll also enjoy jjimgalbi, braised short ribs cooked in a savory, slightly sweet, and garlicky sauce. This will be Korean comfort food at its finest. In Andong, often called the cultural heart of Korea, you'll dive into Korea's traditions. You'll visit the Hahae Folk Village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you'll experience centuries-old customs firsthand. The village is home to well-preserved hanoks and will offer a rare glimpse into Korea's past. You'll feel as if you've stepped into another era as you walk through the village's winding alleys. Nearby, we'll visit the Manhyujong Pavilion, a serene spot that gained fame as a filming location for the popular K-drama Mr. Sunshine. Set against a backdrop of mountains and rivers, this will be the perfect place to relax and take in the natural beauty that Korea is known for. We'll also travel to one of my favorite little cities in Korea, Danyang, a town famous for its breathtaking landscapes. Nestled between towering mountains and meandering rivers, Danyang is a nature lover's paradise. You'll visit the Gugyang traditional market, where you can taste local specialties and browse for handmade crafts. A great way to bring a piece of Korea home with you. This market is well known for incorporating black garlic into its dishes. Will you be up for trying the black garlic ice cream? If you're looking for adventure, the Mancheonha Skywalk is a must-do. You'll walk along a glass bridge suspended high above the ground, offering unparalleled views of Danyang's stunning natural beauty. Finally, for film and K-drama buffs, the Danyang Ondol open film set will allow you to step into the world of Korean historical dramas. You'll explore the sets where famous scenes were shot and immerse yourself in Korea's rich storytelling tradition. This tour will be crafted to give you the best of South Korea, from its bustling cities to its peaceful countryside, from its rich history to its modern-day culture. With every stop, you'll experience something new and exciting. Whether it's learning to make a classic Korean dish, discovering hidden gems, or simply taking in the breathtaking landscapes. This unique tour is a special experience to see and taste some of Korea's best gems. We've put together a trip that we're truly proud of. Together, we'll explore Korea's rich culture through its dynamic food scene. Come hungry, and let's make memories that will last a lifetime. We will be with you the entire time throughout the tour, and we can't wait to meet you. To keep things small, we're only offering this opportunity to 20 people, so you don't want to miss out. Tastes Seoul Good and Noona's Noonchi tour look forward to seeing you in Korea, July 26th through August 2nd, 2005. Meet you in Korea.